Üzerine. 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 It's that real cauliflower. Yes, I did wash my hands. There's a lot of fountains, a little woody down. What's happening? What's happening? Boom, boom, boom. What's happening? What's happening? Alright, now check it out, right? Hold on, let me make sure. Now, me myself personally, no, I'm not going to get a recipe. Okay. The reason why I'm not going to get a recipe because I don't feel like getting a recipe. Right? So, how I'm going to do it is I'm going to put the oven on 325. I'm gonna run these under some warm water. I kind of underestimated the size, but I'm gonna run these under some warm water and salt. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them sit in some warm water, salt, and lemon juice. Why am I doing that? I think it sounds cool. For real, for real. Now, I guess, I'm hoping to get like a citrus, lemony taste out of the meat. I'm really not familiar on, I don't have any reminders of what the meat tastes like. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me tell you something to the fathers or whoever cooking. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say this. It's okay to shop at Aldi's. It's all the same thing. Alright? Don't let nobody tell you it ain't. And some things are, but a lot of it ain't. And so what I'm gonna do with these, I'm not gonna let them thaw all the way out because I'm slow cooking them. So I will be seasoning them I'll be checking on them every 20 minutes until they done. Now, how long it take for them to get done? I'm gonna cook them like a steak, but I feel like the longer you cook them on the low setting, which is the 325, the longer you cook it on 325 or, something like around in there, if you want that, that slice into it with the butter knife or just fall right off the bone, you want to give it a couple of hours. You know what I'm saying? I recommend no less than 5 hours, 4 hours. So I'm gonna start this, and I guess I don't know. I really don't want to keep it going. I don't know how to fast forward and all that. I'm really kind of new to the YouTube, so yeah, we're gonna figure it out though. If you don't know, yeah, you do need to make you some dishwater. Alright, so now we're working with this right here. We got this. This is fresh broccoli, herb and butter rice. That's gonna go good. I should get some garlic bread, but it's good enough. It ain't that many people eating. Now, about them being fresh, I am going to rinse them off before I chop them up. Chop them up. Chop them up. Chop them up. Chop. You know, chop. Oh, chop. Oh, chop. Whoa. You know, baba. Bitty baby. Yep. That part, that way. Fresh cauliflower.
Ruby out the plastic, I've been acting brand new.
You sure the hell is, because you ain't coming out damn plastic. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Well, you can't tell me just be getting high and cooking anything. Now I get damn. I'm hungry. Whatever I want to eat, I'm eating. Damn, that shit smell good. Smell like cabbage. I gotta put some batteries in my electric. Yeah. I gotta put some batteries in my electric garbage can. I wasn't sure to y'all, but no. So this ain't nothing but like when water get on it. See, it's only so deep. Just chop that off. You ain't gotta worry about that. Oh yeah, chopping into that butter, baby. It's the real deal right here. I don't know if you can eat it. I mean, if it's on there, you should be able to, but I don't know. So you gotta watch out for stuff like that nowadays. Chop it up, chop it up. And this right here, all you gotta do is really boil it. You know what I mean? I think I need garlic salt. Let me tell you something. If you hear anybody say, let me hurry up and cook something, chances are those chances. I mean, you gotta like what you're doing. But on top of sometimes you may not have to like what you're doing, but you do have to yeah, we got that broccoli leaves. You do have to know how to feed yourself. I recommend everybody learn how to cook. Learn how to cook something. Learn how to cook your favorite foods. You know what I mean? There's gonna be some good broccoli. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go and get this started because my fiance and coming back on her break. She gonna need to eat something. Imperial, baby. Let me get that. Let me see what else I'm gonna use. Let's see. I thought I had some of that garlic, but I guess not. Yeah, thought I had some of that garlic. Yep, I did. Get you some of that to put up in there. Well, I don't have any garlic powder, garlic salt. I use bottled water. Using bottled water as a go. Yeah, the strawberries on better fudge. Swan just got these motherfuckers. Ain't nobody even got a chance to eat none of them motherfuckers yet. With this type of stuff right here, I ain't gonna use that much water. You basically want them to steam. Like when that water comes to a boil, that's the best time. Got the little broccoli leaves. I did learn something. Sure. I think the rabbits will eat this. So I'm gonna throw it out there for them. Somebody when I'm gonna get it. I think it's gonna be a pretty good treat for them. Basically what I'm doing right now is kind of mixing the cauliflower around because the cauliflower was mostly on the bottom. I don't want it that way. All right, so even though I'm cooking broccoli, I'm taking about that much in a pot like that. I'm gonna sit it right there. That should be all the butter that you have to put in there. And when they taste it, for whoever you cook it for, when they taste it, the butter gonna be in the broccoli. So they ain't even gonna have to put no more broccoli on there. I mean, no, not broccoli. They're not even gonna have to put no more butter on there. This right here is for that butter that you put up in there. Make sure your arteries don't get clogged up and all that. I'm gonna put about this much right on the top. Right. Percolate. I'm gonna just coat the top. Get down in the water part. Let me use this. And I'm gonna repeat the process. Just coat the top. Right, and then I'm gonna hit it with the seasoning salt, just a little bit over the top, because you got that butter. I'm gonna put that on like that right there, because I'm gonna let it, that water gotta boil. All right. I don't know if rabbits or squirrels in there. They probably full. Well, what do you know? It worked. It worked, baby. Yeah. Oh, 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 I think I'm about to be a motherfucking singer. She love me when I'm a mother fludging singer. And I do a little bit more water. They good though. Oh, we ready. What the hell? What the hell? Ain't none of that what the hell they shit. I'm a grown ass man. Goddamn hand itching. Does that mean money? Trying not to use it on the damn paper tubs. Alright, so what we gonna season the lamb with? if y'all watch me, I'm gonna break it down in steps, and they're gonna be like little short reels to this video, right? I'm gonna show y'all every time I go back through and season the meat, so y'all can see when the meat is done. It's just the way I want to do it. Not nothing special, you know what I mean? It could be, but just me and the fam. We buy movies and chill out or whatever. Try to have like family night or whatever, dinner night. Cook up a nice dinner, watch a couple of movies. You feel me? All that. Now, let me tell y'all something. Always season to taste. Always season to taste, no matter what. It's your food. Also, let somebody else taste that shit too, because it might not be. You the bomb. And see, the reason why I'm going through this now and checking on it, like making sure I check on it, is because I don't know how long it's going to take for these to get done. It's not like I looked at any instructions or nothing like that. This just off the dome. What I like to do is coat the top of the meat evenly with all of the ingredients. You ain't got to be overboard, but that's what I do. I like to make sure the meat got, each part of the meat got some of it on it. That's how I season. You got a way you want to season? Have at it. Right. A little bit of salt. Table blend. Right. So this is another thing. See, I'm only gonna put this on at one time, though. Let me see what you can use something different, but you know. And I want this to start off with a little moisture in the inside. So the Worcestershire is going to create the moisture for the inside. Now, mind you, this off the dome now. This ain't nothing that I'm creating this right here with you. You know what I mean? You could dump a little bit on them. You know. Pop that thing up and pop that thing up and Alright. So like I said, the stove is on 325. You want to tightly cover your meat with saran wrap. Well, Reynolds wrap. Alright, you know what I mean? And stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell. Look at that. That's the way you want that. It's time to stir it up. So, like I said, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell. Part 2 is going to show where I am checking the meat, the process of checking the meat. All right.